The material is for the dies is June 12, and we can use the magnetic master dies. It's very easy install. Yes, easy install and remove it, and it's very it's hard to remove it. It's harder going forward or backward. As we can show the pedal. The pedal is just two numbers for the max opening. For this date, please not exceed 25 millimeter. The target size usually from 0. The range from 0 to 10 millimeter, and the target pressure we usually within 30 MPa pressure, and you can see the full model. And for this is adjusted the setting, but the holding time, if you the crimping closing, you need keep closing for a specific time, about 5 seconds, 3 seconds. You can use this. For example, I show we can install this 5 millimeter, resetting 5 millimeter, and back we can use automatic, and we can this the holding time setting. One, 2, 6, 4, 5. Yes, 5 seconds is opening. Yes, the other data similar to here, and also we can see the count. It's counting about the crimping times. Yes. How many the circle crimping they can count it here, shown here. You also can clear this. And for the database, how to use this database? When we crimping several size, about 1 inch, 2 inch, or 1/4 and 1/2. If you only crimping 4 size, you can setting the data in here. For 1 inch, you can use dies 25 or 20 or 6 or 36. Yeah, 36. We already use 36. And in item, input insert the dice number. Yeah, first one is for dice number, and second one is the crimping target size, and third one pressure and max opening. For example, this dice is 23, right? You can use 23 here. And if you go for first time we're crimping the diameter is 12 and 6, right? And pressure we can use 20 millimeter. Max opening we can use 24. Yeah, this is the data we will in the database. And if we change this touch, 19, we can extract it to home, and the pressure and the date, and we'll use the database. So it's very easy to adjusting. You can extract it easily, and just the crimping works. And at last, we will show the full method of crimping, and in the close. Oh yeah, the holding time. Yes, we should holding time we should use 0. So because he is stable for 5 seconds. Yeah, we can show it again. foot pedal. Also, we can adjust the target size is 0, right? And the first one touch as a closing. That's all. Because this machine is on the testing line, yeah, machine in testing line. So when we test it and crimping the hydraulic hose, the machine is a little shaking. It's okay, because when we'll put it in the standing base, the machine will not shaking. Oh, thanks for Mr. Marco's firm. We will keep in touch.